Hello and welcome. Time to talk about Phthalo Turquoise. Phthalo Turquoise is a color that feels luminous and expansive. It sits somewhere between blue and green, and it immediately brings to mind water, galaxies, and tropical landscapes. In general, the story of the phthalo pigments starts in the 20th century, so not very long ago. Scientists discovered a new family of synthetic pigments derived from phthalocyanine compounds. These pigments were revolutionary, intensely colored, incredibly stable, and truly unlike anything that came before them. So yes, Phthalo Turquoise belongs to this family and is one of these colors that artists were always looking for, mostly to capture seas, sky, and mineral blues. Historically, turquoise tones were prized across many cultures: Native American, ancient Persia, and we can see examples in ancient jewelry, ceramics, art, very often associated with protection, water, and the sacred. So while Phthalo Turquoise itself is a modern creation, it echoes those ancient associations, royal ceremonies, and magical symbolisms. So now talking about specifically the Daniel Smith Phthalo Turquoise, which you can find in the description below. It is highly transparent, extremely light fast, and strongly staining. It disperses quickly in water, moves decisively across the wet paper, creating powerful, saturated washes. Like other phthalo colors, a small amount goes a long way. In terms of appearance, it's quite smooth. There is little to no granulation in it, which you could say gives a clean, modern look. You can describe this color, even when diluted, as very bold. When mixed with yellows, you can imagine tropical plants, but with red, earthy tones, it can be more subtle. Imagine muted teals or shadow areas. For me, this color feels very energetic and expressive. It's the color I reach for when I'm looking for intensity and clarity, water scenes, reflections, or vibrant galaxies. It's a color of contradictions, intensely vibrant, yet deeply calming. The kind of color that reminds me how our own human anxieties can quiet down when we remember we are part of something far bigger and more expansive than ourselves. I'm waiting for your comment. What are you inspired to create with it? See you in the next one.